Welcome to this comprehensive guide on integration and API. In this series, we'll explore how to connect your sales tools seamlessly, automate your workflows, and build a unified sales stack that works together harmoniously. Let's dive in and discover how integration can transform the way your sales team works. Integration is the process of connecting different software applications so they work together seamlessly. Instead of manually entering data into each tool, integration allows your applications to automatically share information with each other. Tools communicate through APIs, which are sets of rules that allow apps to talk to one another. This means data flows automatically between systems without any manual work, eliminating repetitive tasks and reducing human error. Think of integration as building bridges between your tools so they can exchange information effortlessly. API integration is crucial for modern sales teams because it saves valuable time. Your sales reps can focus on selling instead of entering data repeatedly. Integration boosts efficiency by automating tasks across multiple platforms. It improves accuracy by eliminating manual data entry errors. When all your tools are connected, you gain better insights with unified data across your entire sales stack. Research shows that organizations with integrated tools see 27% higher win rates and 40% faster sales cycles. That's a significant competitive advantage. Most sales teams use a combination of different tools: customer relationship management systems, or CRMs, like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive manage customer relationships. Email platforms like Gmail, Outlook, and Mailchimp handle communication. Calendar tools like Google Calendar and Outlook manage scheduling. Analytics tools like Google Analytics and Tableau provide reporting and insights. Team communication happens through Slack and Microsoft Teams. And billing systems like Stripe, QuickBooks, and Xero handle your finances. Integrating these tools creates a powerful unified sales ecosystem. Integration offers several significant benefits. It enables faster workflow execution, allowing your team to move deals through your pipeline quicker. You get real-time data synchronization, meaning information updates instantly across all connected tools. This leads to better decision-making because you have unified data, and it reduces operational costs by eliminating manual work and increasing productivity. However, integration does come with challenges. Security and data privacy are major concerns when connecting systems. Setup and maintenance can be complex. API changes and compatibility issues may arise over time, and integration platforms can have associated costs. Understanding both sides helps you make informed decisions about your integration strategy. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules that allows two applications to communicate and exchange data with each other. Think of it as a messenger between your applications. When you need data, your application sends a request to the API with specific parameters and information. The API processes that request and returns data in a structured format, usually called a response. APIs have specific entry points called endpoints, which are URLs where resources can be accessed. To ensure security, APIs require authentication through API keys or tokens, which verify that applications have permission to access the data. This request and response cycle happens instantly, enabling real-time data synchronization between your tools. There are four main types of integrations. One-way integration means data flows in a single direction from a source to a destination, like syncing leads from a form directly into your CRM. Two-way integration synchronizes data bidirectionally between two applications, such as keeping contacts in sync between your CRM and email platform. Real-time integration updates data instantly whenever changes occur in the source system, enabling live lead notifications across all connected tools. Batch integration synchronizes data periodically in scheduled batches, like a daily sync of customer data from your billing system to your CRM. Each type serves different needs depending on how immediately you need your data updated. Implementing integration follows a structured 5-step process. First, Assess your stack by identifying all tools currently in use and mapping how data flows between them. Second, define your integration goals by determining which systems need to connect and what specific data needs to synchronize. Third, choose your integration method by deciding whether to use native APIs, iPaaS platforms, or custom development. Fourth, test and validate your integration by running comprehensive tests to ensure data accuracy and system stability. Finally, deploy and monitor your integration by launching it into production and continuously monitoring performance to catch any issues. Following this workflow ensures a smooth and successful integration. To ensure successful integration, follow these best practices. Prioritize security by using API keys, encryption, and secure authentication methods to protect your sensitive data. Document everything, including your workflows, data mappings, and API documentation, so your team has a reference. Test thoroughly by running unit tests, integration tests, and edge case scenarios before deploying to production. Monitor continuously by tracking error rates, data latency, and sync failures in real time to catch problems early. Plan for scaling by designing integrations that can handle business growth and increased data volume. And set up comprehensive error handling with retry logic, fallback mechanisms, and alerts so you're notified immediately when something fails. These practices build a robust and reliable integration system. Let's recap the key takeaways from this course. Integration connects your tools for seamless data flow without manual intervention. APIs enable automation and efficiency in sales workflows, saving your team time and effort. Proper planning and testing are critical for successful implementation, and security and monitoring remain ongoing priorities throughout the life of your integration. Now let's talk about your next steps. First, audit your current sales stack to understand what tools you're using. Second, identify high-priority integration opportunities that will deliver the most value. Third, research and evaluate integration platforms that fit your needs and budget. And fourth, start with a pilot project to test your integration before scaling to your entire organization. Taking these steps will set you on the path to building a truly connected sales stack.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.